keep your hand like this. This is how you want your hand to be. And then place your hand in between the hair just like this. And then go through your natural hair just like this. And then when you do this, all I need you to do next is to pull both sides just like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Pull both sides just like this. The moment you get to this place, use this finger, your big finger, to go in between the extension just like this. The moment you put your hand inside, this is you secured the hair. The next thing you do is pull it a bit firm and then start. The moment you hold that first grip, take a little bit from this particular hair behind, not on top here, but from behind. Take a little bit out of it, put it where the natural hair is behind, okay? And then plait one. Then by the time you get to this place, yeah, I need you to then use this finger, hold on to the second one here, and then grab from here, a little bit from here also, and add to your natural hair, and then you continue. At this stage, you don't have to add any more. This is more than enough to cover the natural hair from showing that much. So this is it. And then use your hand to make sure that the extension is covering the client's natural hair, just like this. I'll show you when I'm done. This is it, to see how neat that is. Look at that. You see? You can do it.